What is up, y'all? I haven't really filmed anything in a couple days, I feel like. Maybe just a couple of snippets, but not a whole lot going on. We're just chilling. I worked today, Saturday. I made some freaking money. It was a drag because I was at the 9 to 5, but still, I'm home now. It's decently early. I don't work tomorrow. The Schwees don't work tomorrow.
No, we don't. But
And it's my nephew's birthday tomorrow. And Lily's going to try on some dum dum da dum dum dum
For the
da
fifth
dum.
time.
Yeah, well.
This is what happens when you're indecisive.
Mm-hmm.
Bridezilla. No.
That's right. You're like Bride Cinderella.
Bridezilla.
Bridezilla. Bridezilla. Dorilla. Bride-dorilla. Bride-dorilla? Anyway.
Oh my god, I can't wait to have guac and salsa.
Yeah! That's what we're gonna do. Have some guac and salsa
dip.
and buffalo dip and pasta, and I'm on a fasting high.
I can see that. Oh my god, this energy right now.
I know.
Is not working with me.
I'm giving you life.
Came into like the orb. that I
Giving
had.
you life. Giving you life. Where do I?
No, you're way off.
Woo!
Oh my god.
Is it coming? Is it coming?
Use the head
Is
scratcher.
it coming? I'm coming out of left field. Oh, balls.
What?
Oh, maze balls.
I was like sleeping, standing up when I was using it.
Oh. Is it coming? Is it coming?
What are you singing?
It was on the radio. If they put my hand on me, am I coming out of left field?
Sorry, dude, I know. Painful.
Your ears bleeding yet?
Mm.
Is it coming?
I just won an Amazon
No.
spree. No, I didn't. But I bought.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Why you want?
I really didn't.
Just kidding.
Is
it coming? Is it coming? Am I coming out of
Hello?
left field?
I bought. Are you listening to me?
Uh-huh.
Your face is disgusting.
Ooh. Keeping that one for the log.
Like just the faces you're making.
Yeah, I get it. Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday to my nephew, Trenton. He's 7 years old today. I can't believe it. It's crazy how fast life goes by. Getting dressed right now. Gonna go shovel. Because we got some snow last night. Didn't even know it was supposed to snow. But, hey. What can you do? So I'm about to go put in some work. Then Lily is going to go with her mom. She's gonna go try on some wedding dresses. And then we're going to my nephew's birthday party at a trampoline park. So that should be fun. Let's get started. Just wanted to show you guys what I got my nephew. I think you can see it all. I haven't done the gift paper yet in the bag, but when Unks comes through with the goods, I got him a couple 5 nights at Freddy's, like playset stuff, and a couple Nerf guns and some bullets, and you know, the action figures that go with the 5 nights at Freddy's, like arenas. He's wicked, and these are just the Christmas presents from Lily's parents that we haven't given to him yet. Hey. I don't know why kids are obsessed with 5 Nights at Freddy's, but they are. They are. I still have to go to the gym. Lily's at her wedding dress try on, whatever that is, and yeah. What in the hell was that? I'm just gonna go with snow falling off the roof. Just pooped a little bit. Yep. Okay, so Lily and I are about to head down to the trampoline park for Trenton's birthday. Again, happy birthday, nephew. I love you. We love you. So much. You're gonna have so much fun. Your 7th birthday.
What a perfect place for him.
I know, and we got the hookup with the Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yep, we hope you love it.
Yeah.
Hey. What's that? Ooh. That game scares me to death.
You have to try to stack them all on before it booms. Alright.
Take your time, buddy.
Hot Wheels. What's this? Are you even looking at them?
He's just going through them. I'm like,
I love those. Wait. Wait, those are running. Wait, let's go down.
Look at that.
how cool! A shwee is a shwee. Look at that! I love him.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, the balloon? I don't know.
Save the best for last, Kaden.
Ari had more Five Nights at Freddy's.
So say thank you. There you go. You're doing to make a big plate.
And another Nerf gun. I don't want you to say. Look at my nice outfit, everybody.
All right.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god, it's like his size.
Trent, you still have...
Trent, you still have more.
Oh my god, he's secret. Another Call of Duty Black Ops. Yay!
Can you pass this mom to the girl now?
Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Call of Duty!
Is that the
Thank you! Thank you, everybody in there!
It's called cooking with shwee.
Making a salad.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Because we're gonna eat clean.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So I went to the gym early this morning. No gym tonight. It's a rest day. I'm gonna listen to my body. I'm sore, like all over. I was trying to like feel myself out and like feel like a muscle group I could work. But honestly,
I forgot you went this morning.
yeah, it's not a,
Oh, it's good that you're doing yours.
yeah, there's not, it's not a group that I'm not sore in all honesty. So I'm gonna listen to my body. My body's like, what? Sit your ass down on that couch. No, it's like, dude, just come on, take a rest day. Yeah. Word. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. And if you found value in this video at all, share it with one friend. I will catch you in the next one.